Hey guys, big news on the market today. So the Fed have come to a conclusion and have made a decision. So the decision is they're going to leave rate unchanged, but they're going to speed up the taper. Okay, so the bonds buying, they're going to be reducing bonds buying by 30 billion. The last meeting, which was last month, they all mentioned that they were going to reduce bonds buying by 15 billion. If you don't know, the Fed has been actively buying $120 billion worth of bonds since the pandemic started, right? And now they're just pulling back some of that money printing that they've been doing due to inflation, right? Inflation, what they've been saying was it was transitory, but they have now retired the word transitory, okay? Meaning, how would I explain transitory? It's pretty much saying that we have some bottlenecks in the economy, like stuff coming out of China and shortage of truck driver that causes to raise inflation, and also high demand for certain stuff like steak and things of that nature is what goes under the word transitory pretty much. So the Fed saying that they're speeding the taper by 30 billion, so meaning by March they will, if they continue with this timeline, they don't change it by March, there won't be any more bond buying by the Fed anymore. So if inflation continues to run hot, the next step for the Fed is to raise rates. Based on what they are saying right now is that they see 3 rate hikes in 2022. So what does that mean for the markets? What does that mean for real estate? It just means that some of your high growth stocks are going to come down, because high interest rates is not good for super growth stocks, and it's also not good for tech stocks as well. So you're going to see a choppy markets in 2022. I would say the best place to invest in 2022 would be the bank stocks. They normally do well in a high interest rate environment. And value stocks, I would say maybe Disney. Disney is a great buy as well. And some of value stocks, let me think about it in the value. Dollar General, I think would do. Dollar Tree or Dollar General, is it one of them publicly traded? These stocks will do well in 2022. I'm also going to be buying a lot of ETFs. I'm going to be buying a lot of the S&P 500, because I feel like even with the headwinds, we're still going to finish off the year higher than where we at now. So those are my take on what the Fed chair will be doing and their plans going into 2022. And if you guys like these kind of content, just go ahead and hit the like button for me to tickle the YouTube algorithm, and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be dropping more updates like this going forward. Thank you. Bye.